Good morning. Morning. Welcome back. Welcome back to another live stream. My name is Franco. This is Trading Futures Live. Before we begin, please remember that trading is inherently risky and you can lose all your capital. So please don't take my trades. I do this for my own accountability and for educational purposes. The majority of people likes to see it as an entertainer, but I don't see it like that way. My main purpose here is to get better at trading, and if I can help one person, that'll be my goal for today. Okay. All right. So we did have NFP, a lot of news coming out. Yeah, that was NFP. That was the unemployment report. Okay, we were watching it during the we were doing a Discord session. It's not something formal, but we share ideas. I think it's good for you guys to go to the Discord. If you're trading at that time, I don't usually trade, but it's good. All right, now that we have 9 people on, let's go to the pre-market screen. Before we begin with the dollar, I want to see the results. There we go. Non-farm employment change. This is NFP. 363,000 against 200,000. And unemployment rate 3.7 unchanged. Okay? And the market is reacting negatively, right? For me, the negative on this report, I went through the report, very quickly, so I didn't have, I didn't invest enough time to just read the report, but I'm gonna do it today in the afternoon. But for me, the average hourly earnings is too high, and the average hourly earnings year over year here, 5.1 against 4.6, is what is causing the drop. Okay, if you want to see the drop right now, we don't know if we can reverse. The dollar has a lot of supply though. All right, so all the numbers came higher than expected. That we know that's not good, because if unemployment is not going down, inflation is going to be harder to beat. But look, here's the thing: if inflation comes down and unemployment does not go up, that's a good thing, right? That's the definition of a soft landing. This is yet to see what is going to happen, but usually inflation does not come down if we don't lose jobs, right? And people stop spending. It's hard for inflation to come down if the people keep spending at this rate. Okay. All right. So here's the dollar. So the dollar had some demands, right? This is the demand that we had yesterday. All these, right? So dollar came and now we're bouncing off of it. If you go to the lower time frame, obviously, after the move on the NFP, we had the huge move to the upside, like 0.5%, and now we're hitting some areas here of supply. Now I've said we were sharing this on the Discord group. It's not a free path to the upside with the dollar. So I have this one, and then I have here, and after that, then yes. But I have a couple of them that are very important, okay? And I said, all right, let's see if I can find some flip zone. And the only flip zone that I really found was this one, and it's being beat to the downside, right? Dollar is coming back down. So here's the deal. We have a couple of support here, but this is not demand. Okay, it's support. because of this pivot, probably traders being underwater after this move up, they will bail their position out. But I cannot rely on this for my trading today. See that? How likely is this to happen? For me, it's very low. So the London Open is right here. That means that the dollar can make this entire move. Then here, then if we have this move, then yes, I will consider this a demand on the dollar and a short on the equity markets. So the good part is that even though the dollar is trying to retrace the entire move, right? At least we are probably like 30%, right, of the entire move. The market is not going up big time, right? It's probably, yeah, the NQ is just a little bit up. It's trying to consolidate here, okay? If the market comes down, right, I do have some, and I'll show you after when we start trading in 7 minutes. I have a overnight supply in NQ that might put some pressure to the downside, okay? But the location is awful. The location is not good. MB, congratulations. You didn't mention that on the Discord. Look, so good that you passed the top step, because that is a pain in the ass. Like that thing is, damn, it's so hard. It's 2 stages. Like I won't even try it. Why should I make twice the money, right? If I can get funded with other companies. But it's good. Congratulations. Nice. If I compare the all right, so let's continue on here. Don't lose more time here. So here's the dollar, right? Support here, blue line, and then the demand right here. This area was working partially here, but definitely we broke through it. So I get rid of this. Okay. Bond yields, same story. We were coming down, then rejection to the upside. Now we have supply. This is a flip zone. Very straightforward. This was the demand. Work here. Now is working to the downside. Okay. So I don't think, and let me see how I can say this. All right. So I'm gonna say this. There's no free path to the downside on the equity markets, just because of the enhancers have a lot of supply, a lot, like bond yields, dollar. When we start breaking all supplies here, then I will think in more downside. But for now, I do think that the market has some support right there. Look, and I said it on the Discord. I did not have expectation on the NFP report. I was thinking more like the market will react positively regardless. Okay, I was thinking that we were going up 1 or 2% just because the market just made its mind. Thinking that Powell is already flipping and stuff. So those things that sometimes does not make sense, but that's my perception, that the market already made its mind. We haven't gotten inflation down, and we have a lot of problems still, but the market is trying to go up. Okay, but that's perception. I don't trade my perception. I try to trade technically, right? And technically, I see, look, this is the bond yield. They're trying to go up, but it has some supply. When it starts to break highs, then I would say, damn, we changed direction here. VIX barely moved, 5% on a 2.5% drop or 2% drop. is very low. So like I said, crude oil, just nothing to see here. Came off of the demand. This is just the middle of the middle of nowhere. Supply is 83.64. We're just waiting for the supply, and that's it. So my play for today, I didn't post it on Discord because I was distracted, but my play for today is, if the dollar comes here, I will short. If the dollar rejects from here, I just want to see if we have some supply on the equity markets created real time. Let's go on the 500 share bar, because this is the Yen Q on the 500 share bar. So this is the supply right after the move. Okay, so this is the area that I will pay attention if I want to go long or go short. Okay, so how that works: if we come here and the dollar tries to hold or create some demand right there, then I will short. But if the dollar continues, if the market goes up and the dollar goes up with it to some sort of supply that we might have created at 845 or 850, then I will try this. Okay, for a continuation to the upside. After this level here at 920, I don't see much, to be honest. I don't see much to the downside. Well, probably this one. But like I said, is a resistance, is not a supply. I will need some supply to give me some reliability here. Some like I trade off of supply zone, no resistance. Okay. So what do I need though? What do I need? I need a similar shape like this one being created here. Drop, base, retest, and drop. Right? Or something like, I don't have something like this. This one might be. This one might be here. This one might be. Okay, so we're off. Dollar continues to drop. Feel free to share your ideas. Feel free to share your ideas. Oh, let's put the risk here today. Yeah, 250 bucks. Fine. And I do have the other account here. There we go. Boom. All right, so internals are on the negative side, minus 2,000 on the NQ, on the ADD, and minus 700 on the TQ. But the dollar continues to drop. Well, the dollar is holding a little bit right there, but now if the dollar goes up and this thing goes up as well, I would not short the equity markets. All right, so I do have this long right here. Is basically the open. This one is not bad either. Right? And after this supply, I just need something to be created. I cannot short this thing freely, okay? Just because we have a free path from the red line to the upside, okay? That doesn't mean it cannot drop from here. It could, but I need something that there is something where I can rely on. I don't have anything here. Like it's a couple candles. See that? Where am I gonna short here? Could I short here or here or here? Anywhere, right? This is not offering any resistance or supply for me. There's a lot of short covering also happening here at the open. Oh, you know what? I just need to test this.
Order submitted.
Here. Here. Nice.
Order canceled.
All right, this thing is working. Feel free to share your ideas. Feel free to share whatever you're thinking about the markets. So we can comment here. I don't want to do this like myself, just talking. It's super boring. If you share, we can have different opinions and open up our minds about what the market can do, right? And play our game here. All right, one more minute for the 7 minutes. It's already a high volume day. It's already a high volume day. Not only because of the NFP, but the candle is above average. And it's 1 more minute to go. 1 more minute to go. In the 1 more minute will mean like 2,500 probably. 2,500 orders. Yeah. Dollar continues to go down. Dollar continues to go down. Now the question is, can we reverse the entire move? Yeah, absolutely we could. We absolutely could. Is that going to happen? Well, we need the dollar to drop below the open. And that below the news level. Below the news level is 104.48. I've seen it happen. I've seen it happen though. It's not impossible. All right, so high volume day, very high volume day. Yeah, there's nothing for me here. Like, there's this supply that I had, but there's nothing for me to long from here. It's too risky. Tick chart hasn't gotten to the zero line yet. VIX is coming down. Bond yields steady there, 3.567. Sorry, 3.57. Yeah, the dollar is the key chart for us today. The dollar is the one. Crude oil reversed drop. Tick chart not even close to the zero line yet. Oh shit, I didn't have time to do this.
Order submitted.
Oh, there we go.
Order canceled.
All right, so the tick chart is finally getting to the zero line. Tick chart is finally getting to the zero line. Oh. Yeah, I was looking for a short position here, but here's the deal. I do have this demand before. That's why I didn't take it. So my profit potential is a bit skewed. Like it's not a free path. See that? And then these things start to bounce. But I think we will have opportunities. It's very volatile today. Yeah, I do have this. This will probably give us the opportunity. This. Be careful because one more minute for this 7 minute candle, okay? The next one is the one that we want to trade in. So it's what is one more minute. Let's wait for it. So I would have gotten break even here. I would have gotten break even. I would have gotten break even. So it actually came to this area. Look, it just tapped it. See that? I don't know if this is a good area anymore. So this is the open. This is the open, right? Yeah, 9:30. So the tick chart is breaking to the upside. Hmm. If we have a break of this high, I will put the order though. Yeah, I'll put the order. There you go.
Order submitted.
And
Order submitted.
we're in this thing. Yeah. Yes, we are. But the risk is so high. I mean, it's so out of proportion here. Is so not the risk in terms of money, but the distance here. So my target is so far. I need to see if I can correct this. If it moves farther, I will move my stop. Yeah. Yeah, the 7 minute is very strong. So the dollar is not in bad. I mean, it's not bad. The dollar is not bad. Let's see if we can break this to the downside. Yeah, no, this thing is strong. 7 minute is very strong, and most likely the next one, which is in 1 minute, will open up to the upside. I think the dollar is not in bad position for us. The dollar is in good position, I think. You know what? I am not willing to take the hit here. So what I'm going to do in the next move down, if we have moved down, I will. Yeah, I'm gonna move my stop regardless. All right, there we go. So we're 1-to-1, and then I will retake the trade if I have to. If I have to, I will just take the trade. But most likely, the next 7 minute is gonna go up, stop me out, and then I will try to retake the trade. Just because I don't want to risk the entire position when this pattern is happening. Okay, and it's fine if it gets break even. It is okay. I mean, the dollar is not bad, but this thing is holding strongly. Yeah, I should have dropped already. If you guys see my trades, they go straight. They go fast. Yeah, so I got out of break even here. I got out of break even. Let's see if we can retake this trade. What is going on here? I need the 7 minute to go up a little bit. Yeah, let's see if the 7 minute gave us the push. So me being here, stopped out break even, just means that my entry was not the best one. Okay, there we go. So I will retake. I will retake this. As a matter of fact, I will just do this. There you go. Oh damn. Oh my god. I got too slow here. Come on. All right.
Order submitted.
Why?
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Oh, there we go. See if we get this trade.
Order submitted.
Oh, I didn't see the tick chart. Tick chart got to the zero line. That's not good. Damn, I got distracted there. It is what it is. I made a mistake. I thought I wanted to. Yeah, tick chart getting to the zero line. That's a mistake, guys. It is what it is. We do have some supply there. Let's see if we can manage to go down from it. All right. All right, critical point right there. It's 870. We need to break that. 860 something. This 66. We need to break that to the downside, or we're gonna hold that. 2 more minutes for the 7-minute. Let's see if we can break that to the downside. Doesn't look like. Time for me to be cautious here and thoughtful. Tick chart going to the negative. Tick chart going to the negative is not good when this thing is not dropping. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna protect myself. If we have a break even, then it's fine. We'll try another trade. Yeah, it looks like it might hold here. It might hold. Tick chart is on the negative quite a bit. It's minus 200. So we need this to break to the downside. 1 more minute on the 7-minute. Let's see if we can have the push there. It doesn't look like. It doesn't behave like this. Yeah. Buyers are showing up every time it goes down. There we go. All right. All right. All right. So we are, yeah, barely 1-to-1. And it's going that is. Yeah. Another break even. Another break even. I mean, the dollar, yeah, the dollar hasn't moved. Now, how realistic is for me to hit this target, right? After this demand is right here. Yeah, I don't think it's very realistic, to be honest. But anything can happen. Anything can happen. Yeah, it's not very realistic, to be honest. Yeah, I do have this right here. So this might be my scale out if I ever get here. I have 7 contracts. Before I think about that, I just want to see if this is gonna run. It doesn't look like it's gonna bounce. Oh, sorry that I'm not watching the chart here. Moving down nicely. Yeah, it's not. It's not moving down nicely. It's chopping, and any of these retracement can take me out because my entry is not optimal. Yeah, there you go. There you go. I'm out break even.
Order fell.
Yeah. I was up like $300. So this is not gonna drop, guys. This is not going to drop today. It doesn't look like. The dollar has supply. The dollar has supply. We need to get out of this chop. And I'm gonna take some fresh air. All right, 2 break evens today. 2 break evens today. Let's see what is going on here. Yeah. We barely moved 1-to-1 here. We barely moved 1-to-1. So here, yeah, 1.4. Yeah, I was like $400, 300 and something. Now I don't have something to rely on here. Like, this is not a zone. This is just a cut here, if you want to call it. This big, but look how big it is. It's 90 points. It doesn't make sense to me. So I will have to wait for something to be created here if I want to short, right? Do I think the short is the highest probability? Not right now. No. When I had this opportunity here was for a was because the dollar was trying to go higher, but it's not. Dollar is just hesitating there. It's not breaking any new high yet. And this just demonstrates that how heavy the dollar is. I don't think the dollar will manage to go up. The momentum right now is on the market, not on the dollar. I did have this demand though. I did have this demand at the open. Now, how much was this for the long? Three. There you go. So three. Three before the drop. Yeah, it's so important for me psychologically to move the stop. I would have gotten 2 losses. And the truth is that in the dollar, I don't have a reliable demand. Is very very far. It's not very far, but it's far. That could mean that the market will make everything back. That 1%. All right, so two break evens, both shorts. Um, dollar is back, same level. So this move up was a 5 minute candle on the dollar. All this. This was 06, 011, 012, 013, 014. So it's 8 minutes. Yeah, I know. It's two candles of 5 minutes. All right, two break evens, and I don't have much. I do have these areas, but there are no high probability, so I'm not probably gonna risk here. It's 10:26. I want to see what the 4 hour is doing. Yeah, every time the tick chart comes to the zero line, we have a bounce. So zero line on the tick chart is a bounce. Now we're breaking to the downside. And the dollar is finally breaking. I don't know if this might be a good long here. Don't see it. I really don't. But it could. I just see chop. Actually, instead of this one, I do like 76 better. 876. Oh, there you go.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh, damn. I took this one, but with very little position size. Look at that. Oh my god. Yeah. Like minimal position size. I didn't have the smart risk on. Did not have the smart risk smart risk on. Yeah. So I have a total of 3. Yeah, I won't even bother to move my stop. It's just one contract. It's not even my position size. This is how different is the game when you have very little money on the line. I think it's important to train yourself to do the right thing with very little risk, and then slowly increase your risk so you can adapt. I think that's very important. It has been for me. So there you go. We're about to hit target here. Hmm.
Target filled.
There you go. All right. So 2 break evens, 1 winner. Um. Not a spectacular winner though. All right, so the dollar, look, RTY already made the entire move to the upside. Incredible. RTY is already at break even. It's minus 0.18%. I want to see where Apple is. Yeah. Microsoft. Closing gaps. Amazon. Amazon is to the weaker side. There you go. RTY is minus 0.12. 14. All right, so I have a 3-to-1 trade today. It was a good trade, but I was not putting the right size. So it was this one. So I got in here, buy, sold here. I had the smart risk off. I don't know why, but I did. Probably because when I was on the short, I wanted to scale out and I turned it off. And then I completely forgot about it. And then I put just one contract. Shame. But it is what it is. Like, I made $150. Now I'm watching this for a flip zone here. A bull bear. 7 minute is young. So if we break to the downside, we might have this. If we move down, yes. Need to see the dollar breaking that high of the previous 5 minutes, which is 105.200, 105.21. That will be the signal for me. Yeah, there's nothing for me to take right now. None. NQ is the weakest. YM, R2Y, ES are holding. NQ is the only one with the red candle in the 50 minutes. So what do you guys think? Yeah. Yeah, he's just hesitating. It is just hesitating, this thing. Oh, sorry, man. I was muted here on the mic. I was commenting that is high risk everything that I could possibly do here. Whatever I do here is too risky. I just rather stay away. I already took 3R winner. Um, and I want to keep trading, but it doesn't look like it's easy. It's very complicated. Look at the dollar. Dollar's dropping. This thing is dropping. Um, so at some point, I do think this thing is going to bounce. But if it doesn't, um, if it doesn't, it's possible as well. Look, the dollar is dropping. This thing is not moving. But the dollar is not in a level that I can trust. The dollar is not in a level that I can certainly trust. Um, Echo in my voice. That's weird. Now what? Hello, people of Earth. The bounce is about to happen, I think. Dollar's dropping. This thing is not moving down. It's not coherent at all. There you go. There it goes, the move up. Finally. There it goes. It does make sense. Look, the dollar is just dropping. All right, guys. 17. Going to close this thing is just not much for me. This is actually very sideways. See you guys. I'll see if I can make a live stream tomorrow. Okay. Not sure about it, but I'll let you know through the Discord. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.